Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Mini Militia connection problem on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Here are a few simple steps you can try following in order to resolve your connection issue. First, swipe from the bottom of your iPhone and push off the Mini Militia application at the top in order to remove it from running on the background. Now, the next thing to do is to turn on airplane mode on your iOS device. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it off again. Now, make sure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go and tap Open the Settings application from your app drawer. From the General tab, tap on the Software Update button. Make sure that you are running the latest possible version of your operating system. If you see this interface where it shows you a new update, tap on the Install Now button. Once you update your iOS device to the latest version, the next thing to do is to go ahead and remove the apps that might be running in the background. And once you are done with it, tap Open Mini Militia application and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the easiest steps you could try and follow in order to fix connection problems in Mini Militia on your iPhone. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.